Now that you've created and reviewed your proposal, it's time to apply a few finishing touches and publish it. Publishing your document allows you to make it available to a wider audience. In the case of your proposal, you might publish it in a different format or on a company website to get input or approval. In this video, you'll check your document for spelling errors and publish your document to the web. First, check your document for spelling errors. Google Docs underlines misspelled words in red. To correct a misspelled word, simply right-click and select the correct spelling. Or use the spell check tool. This will allow you to identify and correct all spelling errors in your proposal. After checking for and correcting any spelling errors, publish your proposal. Google Docs allows you to choose how to make your documents available depending on what kind of communication you're trying to accomplish. To circulate a document to a small audience and manage the permissions, use the share function. This is a good idea if your document contains sensitive, proprietary, or confidential information. Only the people whose email addresses you entered can view, edit, or comment on the document. To make the document available to a larger audience, publish the file. Anyone with the provided link can access your document. You might share your proposal using social media, or by pasting the link into an email or chat, or by publishing it on a company or personal website. You can unpublish your document at any time by selecting Stop Publishing. You can also download your document in different formats, such as a PDF or Microsoft Word document. This allows you to share information and communicate with people who use different computer systems or software programs, or who have specific needs for how they receive and view documents. Now it's your turn. Check your document for spelling errors and publish the document to the web.